In order to get divorced, once you've decided that's what you want to do, there's obviously the paperwork that has to be filled out. You file that with the court, you get the other party served, and then the wheels start going. Hearings are set, or your dates for trials are set. So that way, hopefully, you can get everything worked out. In Michigan, to get divorced, the statutory time frame to wait is 60 days. So it's not a long time, but hopefully you can get everything done, decided within that time period, and you can get divorced. If you don't agree on things, then that could get drug out. So there is no set, you'll be divorced in 1 year or you'll be divorced in 60 days. It just depends on each case, so it depends. If somebody files for divorce and they start going through the process and they decide that during this wait period that they're working things out, they're going to counseling, or they decided, what, this was a mistake, I really don't want to be divorced from my spouse, you can file a notice with the court it's called notice of reconciliation. So basically you're telling the court you want the case to stop and be dismissed because you are now going to reconcile, and so you can do that. Understanding sometimes what happens is they do that, and after a few months of trying to work together again, they figure out they can't do it. So under the law, if you file that notice of reconciliation, you have a certain time frame which you can go back into the court and say, you know what, I was wrong. We can't reconcile. So I want to go forward with the divorce, and it can't. If you don't meet that time frame, you'll have to start all over again. If you have any questions about divorce, just give us a call, 517-797-6021, or you can email at office@kbergerlaw.com.